Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products out there. Today, we're talking about the best 4 shelf bracket, the 4-pack shelf brackets 4-inch floating shelf bracket. This heavy-duty hidden bracket system is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their shelving experience with robust, reliable support. Whether you're organizing your kitchen, living room, or office, these brackets provide the ideal solution for stylish and durable floating shelves. What makes these shelf brackets stand out is their premium build. Crafted from high-quality iron steel, they offer an impressive weight capacity of up to 150 pounds per pair, making them ideal for holding heavy items such as books, electronics, or decorative pieces. The 1/5 inch thick brackets ensure that your shelves remain sturdy and secure, providing long-lasting performance without the worry of sagging or shifting over time. The sleek, black powder coat finish not only adds a modern touch to any room but also acts as a protective layer. It guards against scratches, chips, and corrosion, ensuring that your brackets maintain their elegant look even after years of use. The 4-inch size is versatile, making it a great fit for a variety of projects. Whether you're using them for a small shelf in a bathroom or as part of a larger shelving unit in your living room, these brackets blend seamlessly with any decor. Installing these brackets couldn't be easier. The kit comes complete with all the screws and anchors you need for a quick and hassle-free setup. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, you'll appreciate how easy it is to get your shelves up and running. The simple 2-way installation process ensures that you can set up your shelves in no time, while the included screws provide a secure hold. These brackets are more than just functional, they're also a great way to save space. By utilizing vertical storage, you can turn any room into an organized, clutter-free space. From bookshelves to custom shelving units, these heavy-duty iron brackets give you the freedom to design your space exactly how you want it. With this 4-pack, you'll have enough brackets to create a variety of shelves throughout your home or office, adding both style and functionality to your space. Whether you're displaying your favorite decor, organizing kitchenware, or setting up a workspace, these brackets provide the sturdy support you need for a sleek and minimalist floating shelf design. So, if you're looking for a reliable, heavy-duty shelf bracket that combines strength with elegance, the 4-pack shelf brackets 4-inch floating shelf bracket is the solution. Available now on Amazon, it's the perfect addition to any home improvement project. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more great product reviews.